Hi everyone, I'm going to go over 32.1 classwork. It says solve the quadratic equation y equals -7 plus x squared minus 3x to solve for the x-intercepts, which are also called the roots and or the zeros. So the first problem is this quadratic equation in standard form, which means descending order, so it is not. So we're going to rewrite it in standard form. So y equals x squared minus 3x minus 7. So we're going to try to find the x-intercepts by factoring. First, I need to substitute 0 for y. So your equation should look like 0 is equal to x squared minus 3x minus 7. So I already have my box and my diamond. The only combination that would make -7 is -7 and 1, or 7 times -1. So we can't factor it. So we are going to do what's called the quadratic formula. So number 3 says we need another method to solve for the x-intercepts, which again, quadratic formula. All right, which it says right here as well. It works with any equation with x squared, all right, that equals to 0. All right, so in my next video, I'm actually going to solve the equation.